Okay, so let's just take a look at a couple of these questions here. Number one says, which of the following lists all the numbers of which 45 is a multiple? Okay, it's really important to remember. A multiple is a number that is the product of one number multiplied by another number. So I even told you here, can I multiply the numbers together to get 45? If yes, then they would be multiples. If no, they are not multiples. So you need to look at each set of these numbers and say, can I multiply these numbers together to get 45? If I cannot, they are not multiples. What here would make 45? Okay, you have to look at all of them and decide which one would make 45. So if I look here, I know that 5 times 9 is 45. That's true. But 1, 2, and 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. They don't make 45. So there's no way that that could be my right answer. So I have to go through and look at all of these to figure out what makes 45. Well, if I look here, I know that 45 and 1 definitely make 45. I just have to look at the rest of them and figure out, do these numbers make 45? 5 and 9, does that make 45? 15 and 3, does that make 45? If so, then yes, they would be multiples. Looking down here, can I multiply any of these numbers together to get 45? Goodness, no. These numbers are all greater than 45. So there's no way I can multiply any of them together to get 45. All right, and you'll have to look down at this one too. All right, let's look at one more problem. Let's look at this one. Is 6 a multiple or a factor of 12? Well, I gave you some hints here. I said, remember, a factor is when two numbers are multiplied to get a product. You have to ask yourself, can 6 be multiplied by something else to get 12? If it can, then it would be a factor, okay? Can 6 be multiplied by something to get 12? 6 times something equals 12. If there's a number here that would equal 12, then it would be a factor. Let's look at multiple. A multiple is a number that is the product of one number multiplied by another number. So can I multiply 12 by something to get 6? If that is true, then it would be a multiple. Can you do 12 times something to get 6? If not, it's not a multiple. If you can do 6 times something to get 12, then it would be a factor. All right.